Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Toyota Prius. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 54 miles per gallon in the city and 50 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.